No country is immune to change. Countries must be prepared to deal with sudden shocks and long-term trends. Understanding just how prepared a country is can help policymakers, NGOs, investors and development agencies make better decisions when it comes to managing change. With this in mind, KPMG have developed the Change Readiness Index. Using data from 140 countries, the tool gives insight into how a country may strengthen its readiness for change. Built on the 3 pillars of government, enterprise, and people and civil society, the CRI can help to prioritise action, identify trends, and see who is already on track. In this year's index, Switzerland is ranked number 1 for the second time running. 28 of the top 30 countries are high income, and Malaysia rises into the top 30 for the first time. The tool can also help identify how countries, including the most vulnerable, can better prepare to meet the challenges of the Sustainable Development Goals. Climate change is a use case in point. The true cost of global warming, rising sea levels and deforestation is measured in lives as well as dollars. The world is mobilizing, but the challenges are complex. Building a future resilient to the effects of climate change is more effective than simply reacting to it. It requires complex cooperation across all sectors. Government policy which shapes innovation, unlocking capital and long-term investment and infrastructure through to community engagement and local decision-making. Change is a certainty. Being prepared for it is a choice.